loves, welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, welcome. My name is Esther, and in today's video it is all about this unit from Isee hair. Y'all, I'm excited for this video because they have updated a few things in their collection, especially their wigs in general. I should know this by now, but I love sharing with y'all all the products or items that you guys should be receiving in your box. I did get this HD wig cap, which I love. I also got another just simple wig cap as well, and some Isee hair lashes. Now let's get into this. This is exciting. They actually sent over an extra adjustable strap and combs in this package as well, and this is where it gets exciting. They did send me this hairnet so you can kind of see the updates more clearly. This is a pre-plucked wig. It is a 9x6 HD lace wig to be exact. It does include removable combs to meet different needs, and it also has an ear shape designed for maximum achieveness and a 3D cap design to ensure the lace lays flat and snug along the hairline. Now I personally love how they updated the lace to have like tiny knots just to ensure a more natural look from where the lace seamlessly blends with the forehead and the sides. So with this install, it doesn't need a glue, so that's why I'm not going to be using no glue at all. I mean, clearly it needs a little bit of tint on the lace, but we're gonna go ahead and put that once, you know, we get into the video. But I wanted to show you guys how long this unit is. Y'all, I'm a short girl and this is already past 20 inches. Y'all, it is so long, but it's just beautiful, especially if you love the bust down middle part. You can definitely achieve that with this unit. So I wanted it flat, so I had to bring out my hot comb and I had to bring out my curling wand because I felt like it was a little too lumpy on the top. So yeah, using both tools I was able to achieve that flat bust down middle part look that y'all girls always love. Of course, I wanted to come up close and personal so you guys can see this hairline in action. I did go ahead and tint the lace off camera, and obviously you guys have seen it so many times. I tint the lace with this mousse and then I set it with the powder. But y'all, it looked so good. just like that, you guys, I am done styling this unit. She is cute, she is long, I love it. So again, I'll have all the details in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Looks so good. So make sure you check it out. If I have any discount codes, take advantage of it. I love y'all so much as always. Now, Pandasana, and I will see you guys in another video.